What's up YouTube, I'm Max Klein. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing video of Duelist Pack Zane. Got a box of this, the box is 30 cards. So, let's begin. Hoping to get an alternate rare, alternate art Cyber Dragon. Oh, Cyber Cutie, Photon Generator Unit, Cyber Twin Dragon, Proto Cyber Overload. Sweet. Here we go. Alright. Here I'm going to keep the rares separated by rarity. So you're only going to see those, but do you really care? Failed this. Let's see. Another Cyber Twin. Sweet. Put that there. Oh, sweet. Ruthless Denial. Super rare. Cyber Laser Dragon. I'm just going to display the rares. At the end of the video, I'll do a display of everything, so until then, just gonna keep this. Super rare Return Soul. Sweet. Oops. Whoops. Sweet. Cyber End Dragon. I'm gonna roll here. Open first. Cyber Barrier Dragon. Oops, sorry. Let's throw that. Sweet. Oh, sweet. Super rare Infernal Dragon. That'll help. I mean, ultra rare Infernal Dragon. Oops, sorry. Ultra rare Infernal Dragon. Oops. Sorry about that. Chimera Tech Over Dragon. Sweet. Another super rare Ruthless Denial. Sweet. Put that there. Keeping my rares in one pack or one pile. Ah, come on. Another Cyber Laser Dragon. Hoping for a Cyber Dark Dragon here. Hopefully I will. I like Cyber Dark Dragon. It's cool. Another Cyber Barrier Dragon, sorry. Come on. Super rare Fusion Guard. That's always cool. Sweet. Cyber Laser Dragon. Rare. Sorry, forgot. Another Cyber End Dragon. That's cool. Ooh, sweet. Cyber Dark Dragon. Super rare. I think I've gotten all the rarities in this pack so far. Another Cyber Barrier. It's number 3. Oops, sorry. Another Return Soul. Cool. I'm hoping, at least for the Cyber Dark parts. Let's see if we can get this right. Cyber End Dragon. Hold on, let me organize that. My rares. It's 4th Cyber Barrier Dragon. And this pack is heavy on stuff. Barriers. 3rd Return Soul. That's cool. Come on, I'm hoping on the other Cyber Dark parts. Chimera Tech. Come on. Sorry. There you go. Cyber Laser Dragon. Come on. Just hoping for the other parts for Cyber Dark Dragon. Don't know if I've got them. Cyber Barrier Dragon. And if you want to trade for any of these, just PM me. I'll be happy to. Come on. Cyber End. Ah. I suck at opening these packs, dude. Come on. There you go. Oh, sweet. Power Bond. Rare. So let's put some. Cyber Barrier. Card just loves to pop up, doesn't it? Alright, let's see what we got here. Cyber End. It's like number 5, I think. Alright. Come on, I just need Cyber Dark Edge. Let me done with the Cyber Darks. Return Soul. It's number 4, I believe. And last pack. Come on. Cyber Laser. Alright, I'm just going to show you all my rares. I'm not going to post a comment. Well, if you want me to post the comments, so here. Cyber Laser. Oh, sorry. Crap. Sorry. Return Soul. Cyber End. Cyber Barrier. Power Bond. Cyber End again. Cyber Barrier. Cyber Laser. Chimera Tech. Overdragon. Return Soul. Cyber Barrier. Return Soul. Cyber End. Cyber Barrier. Cyber Dark, sorry. Cyber End. Cyber Laser. Fusion Guard. Cyber Barrier. Ruthless Denial. Chimera Attack. Infernal Dragon. Cyber Barrier. Cyber End. Return Soul. Cyber Laser. Ruthless Denial. And Cyber Twin. Alright guys, that is my video. I'm Max Klein. If you like these videos, just click the subscribe button and get Yu-Gi guys.